It's a very busy day today. I'll let you know what it's about. Yeah, I'm heading out for work. It's a Sunday morning. These people are making me miss church. Pakela, imagine. So I have work and I'm trying to vlog the day. We'll see how that goes. We do have like the evening service. Yeah, 6. So I am hoping and praying that I will be free around that time, because where we're working is really not too far from church. It's a walking distance actually. I mean, the church is in Block 3 Industrial and where we will be working is in Block 3. It's like just across the road. So the sun is coming up. It's looking so beautiful. It's looking reddish, orangish. So we are here. So I'm going to pass stop on US and then walk to the stop to say hi A1 to catch another combi. My phone is very low because we're passing by US, you know. Okay. Whatever. Go bolela fa re gorogile ka 27 past 7. Tse tsa ntlha di bolela go tlhamelela he bana. Yo, re mo block 3. Re mo block 3. Welcome. Hi. No, I said hi. I said hi, not my phone. Hello, Mrs. Mams. Miss. So,
you're supposed to say hi.
No, to me. Say hi to me, not the phone. Okay.
Yes. Is getting worse. Okay. My name is Leshetla Anjanoko.
Hi, Leshetla.
Hi. What we are doing is a drama series, which name I won't expose. But so far, the journey has been good and very hectic because sometimes we shoot like 10 scenes in a day. So it's always so hectic.
Call time at 4 a.m.
Call time at 4 a.m. Very good. Sometimes even in your sleep, they can call you. You didn't finish this episode. This episode, you must come and shoot this scene. Imagine, today we were called 6:30 mapagela when I was sleeping. I said, you must be crazy. And they said, if you say that again, I'll fire you. So I had to come here. And I'm not feeling well.
Does she look like she's not feeling well?
I look like I'm not feeling well again.
She looks
I look
opposite.
well.
Hey. She looks healthy. Look at these legs.
Look at these legs as if they're a sign of health.
Yes.
It's good. The time you come at the house, look where they are still sleeping in their blankets.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so very much.
So
we are not responsible for anything that's being said here, whether it's true or not. I don't know. Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Introduce yourself. Who
my
are
name
you?
is Zoe.
Hey, Zoe.
Can I take this call?
No.
Okay.
Yes. Why do you do that?
It's a coping mechanism, guys. You know when things are not going your way, you just scream.
I was laughing because I also do that.
For real.
Yeah.
The experience has been overwhelming but exciting at the same time. It's a secret. I won't tell anyone, but
What are you doing?
I can't believe that she said it's a secret, but then she's like, look what I found. I hope they don't come at me for this. Look what I found. Cyber Smart Botswana. Hello. Yes, I've heard about it from my friend Motswana. Smart. Yeah. I'm just putting it out here because it seems and sounds like something informative, important, so I'm gonna just put it out there. Hi.
Hey.
They look on what's going on. It's like, okay, that's my boyfriend. And then after that, he was very embarrassed meeting up with her. And she's like, no, I never said this is my cousin. I said it's my boyfriend. I'm like, bro, what kind of gaslighting is this?
I feel like these people sometimes they just put up like some etnia like yeah, so
Sometimes it feels staged, bro. Like,
because why would someone get in someone's car, let someone in that car and
if I was walking here, I wouldn't just get into a random person's
we're talking
car.
about YouTubers.
There's also been a YouTube channel.
And there's this thing here, how we see this thing here with the partners exchanging phones.
Yeah.
Do
Do you think it's staged?
I think it depends.
The ones that are staged are Sima and Ghost pranks. Because how do you not see the camera in the car sitting there? I'm talking to you and not Ghost and Tubi.
I have nothing to do with this
My
ghost.
girlfriend don't say it's a Drake.
Sima.
That's not Drake. Like, it's not to make sure. It's not to make sure. That's not Drake. That's so not Drake. That's not Drake. It's not to make sure.
Jesus, it's a very, very beautiful spider. Yay. I think it's like 11 past, 12 past 11. Alright, let me go because we're starting to shoot.
Yeah, mine for my dad.
For your father.
For my father.
I didn't interview you.
Hi, I'm Leshetla. Well.
Can we rehearse the scene?
Days of our lives. I can take pictures as well here. Why? Introducing the next rapper in the world.
I'm the Twitter
How do they do it? For today. Well, my baba ngoba sentse ba theogela. Karakana ka van re kopana today. Ha re itsane. Au, ha re itsane. Kara ka stela ka re shoota ko.
Ha re tsao nkitse le kgonana. E phekela tsela ntse ha nkitse. Ba ngena ba tshitse gore ba tshela. Motho a itatola.
Bo me baba ngoba bona sale.
Come on, Kirasha.
Sure, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
What are you going? No, I'm going to time man.
Kira lo gore ke a tsamaya. A ra tsamaya kana yang.
Oh, okay, we can go.
Tampela ka.
Raja gompieno.
Ati o ba pele ka. We are heading to church. I had to wait after work, after shooting, because we finished past 1 and service out like a 6, right? But there is vocal training at 4, so I decided to just wait for that, to wait for vocal training and then head to church. So I'm on my way to church. Yeah, it will be my first vocal training class. Yeah, it's my first one and I'm excited because I really want to work on different things. My voice, I want to work on my art, just everything, every single thing that I do. Like I want to put in the work. So I'm excited. So I just wanted to sit out here for a bit. I was hurt because, guys, I recorded something that's like worth 3 minutes or so. I don't know. And only to find out either I pressed record and then I accidentally pressed the button again, or I just never recorded. So I just thought I should just sit here for a moment and just take that in because I was expressing myself. I was expressing myself. Yeah. Anyway, I was saying, you know how when you are alone in a place or in an area and you think that you are alone and then you just start doing funny things. Either you start talking to yourself or you start making funny noises and stuff like that, right? That's exactly what I was doing. And I was actually enjoying it. And then I remembered, I'm like, hey, Kana, what if someone is like looking at me? I don't have a problem with like if someone's looking at me. It's just the thought of knowing that someone is just listening to my weirdness. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. And also I was saying to come to church. So it's like a great opportunity for you to just reflect, also to just get in touch with the Holy Spirit, because I'm heading to church, and like usually before coming to church. So for me that's one of my times. So that's it. I agree you missed it, but it's fine. Yeah, because it's like 5 minutes till 4 and I'm supposed to be there at 4. Yeah, church is literally right there. It's CRC. See that sign? Yeah, that's where church is. All right, let's go. Whoever's watching this, I love you.
You will find love and acceptance in one place, not in the arms of another man, not through success, but you will find your significance and you will find your self-esteem in the presence of Jesus, in a place of worship.
Welcome to Christian Revival Church.
The launch of our 3,000-seater building is an exciting and important milestone of months and months of hard work, commitment, leadership, giving, and prayer.
Then you want to give up. I want to tell you don't, because your life is too important. Your life matters. Your journey may be difficult, but the hand of God is upon you. You keep on keeping on. Come on. You keep on pressing. You keep on believing. This is your hour. You are going to change your world. You are going to restore education. You are going to do what you were designed for, because your generation is waiting for a call. You were called and designed by God for this hour with a kingdom purpose. You just have to discover it. When you get serious with Him, real with Him, committed to Him, God is going to do amazing things in your life. Say amen in Jesus' name.
We have been given dominion, so be sure to enjoy a victorious week in all that you do. As we get ready for Home Cells midweek, be sure to invite your world for a life of glory, power, impact, and supernatural acceleration 2023. Goodbye.
My day was amazing. I really enjoyed it. Come visit us at church, at TRC, or just visit the nearest church to you. It's not really about coming to my church. It's about you having to fellowship, be around people who are after God's heart or are trying to know and develop a relationship with God, right? If you're interested in doing that, or if you feel like it's something that you've been wanting to do, then do it. I can't explain to you exactly what goes on. Most of the things, honestly, is about experience. It's about a relationship. When you have a relationship with someone, you get to experience a lot of things that you can't explain, and only people can see it from the outside, but they don't actually know what's happening on the inside. And the nice thing is, when you keep on developing it, growing it, strengthening it, it just keeps getting better and better. And for it to get better and better, obviously it means or that quarrels. Yes, that happens. People they were angry at God for some things. It's an experience that we have, and people experience it very differently. So make sure to not let a lot of years go by before you get to experience this, because wish you had done this earlier or known this earlier or experienced it earlier. More often than not, that is the case. Yeah.